Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, we back out again with another tier list. Okay, I know most of these. This one gonna be easy. Fiat. Fiats are horrendous. I wanted an Alfa Romeo, but the insides of Alfa Romeos look what's it is? Interior. But the interior kind of like I don't like this gear shift right here that they have. That's not a real photo. Okay. They had a gear shift I didn't like. It kind of looks like a BMW. Alfa Romeos kind of look like BMWs, not gonna lie. Like the screen reminds me of a BMW. But they alright, I guess. We're gonna put Alfa Romeos S tier. The grills look ugly though. Like, look at the grill. The grill looks kinda ugly. Oh shit. Acuras would be a S tier if, let me show you. Acuras would be a S tier if they didn't have this, what is this stupid gear shifter? Like, this gear shifter makes no sense. Like, look at that gear shifter. Shit looks ridiculous. Everything looks alright, like decent, except for that gear shifter. That gear shifter looks ugly. Acuras look clean though from the outside though. Like this right here looks clean. Like these Acuras right here look clean. It's just the interiors makes it like ugly. Citron. These cars right here are F. Have you seen these cars? Why does it keep getting me? Ew, these cars look ugly. Toyota, right? It's not. Oh no, Chevy. My bad, Chevy. Cause of the T. I keep getting it confused with Chevy. What Chevy's got? Camaro. Chevy Camaros. Put them there. The hell is that? ALE. Don't know what the hell that is. Volkswagen. Don't sleep on the Volkswagen. Now the Volkswagen, I like the Atlas. I like these right here. I like the SUVs. The SUVs are kind of nice. Interior. Like, I like the interior too. Gear shifter. Everything looks sleek and clean. Look at that. Don't sleep on these SUVs though. Like, the SUVs are like pretty good. What's the HP on it though? $200, 276. Alright, that's not bad. Straight pipe it. Put a wrap on it. Yeah. Yeah. S tier. I'm not even gonna waste my time with that one. That just Hyundai. The only good thing Honda got is this right here. Honda Accord. That's the only good car Honda ever got good, was a Honda Accord. That's the only good car Honda got, was a Honda Accord. Honda Civic looks ugly. The only car that Honda got that's good is a Honda Accord. Interior looks like a damn Nissan upgraded. But Honda, Ferrari don't like people wrapping their cars, so we're gonna place it with a Honda. I seen these cars. I don't know the name of it, but I do know what they look like. But we're gonna place it here. Hennessy. How fast does it go? Huh? 1,000 horsepower. Put them over at the top. Hold on now. I do know what these cars are. I forgot the name, but they're L2. What are these? I think I've seen these cars, but I would just put that at because I don't know. I ain't gonna lie. Rolls-Royce RW. I don't like the Rolls-Royce truck though. The truck looks ugly. This looks ugly. They could have done better. It looks like a SUV that wants to be a truck. This shit look ugly. Ew. The cars are cool though. Phantom, Wraith. Put Pewdiepie right there though. Mazda. Fuck out of here. Infinity. We're gonna put them up right up. Yeah. Have you not seen the Infinity Q50? I don't even have to type in the name. Red Sport. I like these motherfuckers. Like this gonna be my first car. Red Sport modded. Look at this motherfucker. Whoa. Black out the lights. Black out the tail light. Put some downpipes on there. Yeah, look at this. It look hard. Clean. Ram is only good for trucks. If I was to go with the truck, I would go with the Ram though. Cause Ram got the TRX, don't it? Ram, yep. Place that up there. Ram. Kias get stolen. No. Maserati, hell no. Have you seen a Maserati? They look ugly. Porsches are a W. That Porsche 911 Stephen Curry got. He got in a wreck, but the Porsche that he had was fire. Porsche 911 GTS. Hard, look at that. Who there? That's hard. Yep, put them in S tier. Hyundai's. I'll put them with Kias because they get stolen too. Mercedes are a hit and a miss for me. I ain't gonna lie. Like some Mercedes look good, some Mercedes look bad. It's a hit or miss. What is this? TRV. Okay. Nope, I've seen these. They drive these in London. Who the hell cares about what they drive in London, bro? Let's see it. It's a UK car? But what the... Man. Ugh. Forward. Put them right there. Only thing good about Ford is the trucks. I didn't hear too much about the cars though. How much we got? I don't know no American car. Lexus. I'll put Lexus right where Mercedes is because there are some good Lexus. I've heard of Lotuses. I'll put them with Ferrari. They look good, but they ain't that good. Jaguar. I'll place the Jaguar with the Lexus because they fire. They up there too. What the hell is a bat? Things are some swings. What the hell? Ew, no. Mercury's, no. GMC. I'll put GMCs with Hyundais. I'll put GMCs with Hyundais. Jeep. I'm only putting these up here because of the Jeep Trackhawk. That's all. No more than less. Audi. I'll put Audi right with the Porsche. Audi R8. Yeah. BMWs. BMW are okay, but I hear they break down a lot, so hell nah. Volvo. I'll put them with GMC. But Buick. Put them with the Volvo. Shelby are them ain't they Camaros? Oh no, it's a Mustang. I'll put them up there. Right with the BMW. Tesla's battery powered cars. I'll put them right with the Lotus. I'll put Lotus before that. Hell no, I don't know what the hell that is. Bugatti. I'll put them up there because they fast. Don't know what the hell that is. Toyota. Put that motherfucker right with the I'll put it right with Hyundai. Boom. Dodge, Hellcats. Put them up there. I think I know this car. I mean, I know this logo, but who the hell drives Hummers nowadays? What is an Eagle car? Nope. Pentagon Z. Yeah. I don't know that company. Mini Coupes, hell no. I'll put Nissan up here. Cause I drive a Nissan. OPLE. Put them motherfuckers at F. Subarus are okay. I'll put them with the Hyundais. Land Rover. I heard Land Rovers break down. So I'll put them with BMWs. McLarens. Put them up there. SAAB. The hell are those? Lamborghini. I'll put Lamborghini up here. Lamborghini better than McLaren. Bentley. I'll put it with the BMWs and the Jaguar and the Dodge. I'll put them with a BMW. They good. Lincolns. I'll put it with a Buick. People don't like Buicks. People don't drive Lincolns. Only old people drive Lincolns. What the hell? Chrysler do got a Dodge. I mean a Hellcat though, right? Chrysler is Dodge, or under the ownership of the same company with Dodge. So yeah, I'll place it up there. Don't know what the hell that is. Cadillac. I'll place it with the Subaru. I don't really, but oh, Cadillac do got that Blackwing. Oh, we'll put it up here because Cadillac do got that Scion. Put it with the Buick. I can't see that name, and I don't recognize the logo, so no. Saturn. No. Pontiac. put on with sitcom because Pontiac last. I don't care what nobody says. Pontiac's last. So Pontiac's go right there. They might go up there and be generous. Alright, we got a Suzuki and a Mitsubishi. Put them up with the Pontiac. I don't know where it went. Mitsubishi's with the Mercuries. Alright, I think I done it. Yeah. Hold on, let me. Yeah. W list. W2 list. Let me just fix this real quick. Boom, there it is. Now that's the W list right there. You got the Lamborghini, Infiniti, you got the Alfa Romeo, Volkswagen, you got the Hennessy, Rolls Royce, Ram, Porsche, the name I can't pronounce, the Audi, and the McLaren. You got some affordable cars and some honestly unaffordable cars up there, but it's straight. I mean, you got the Acura and what's it called, Chevy and Mercedes and Lexus and Jaguar. I'm being generous by placing that goddamn Nissan in the goddamn hay. It should be with the Honda, but I drive a Nissan, so we ain't gonna say nothing on that. Yeah, nothing was a D. So these are all the cars I didn't know / are trash. I would never drive. Who the hell gonna fit in a Fiat? I only seen white people drive Fiat. I ain't never seen nobody mashed up in a Fiat like that. And who the hell drives a Maserati, bro? Yo, Maseratis are... You trying to act like you up there. Maseratis are not like that. You're not that guy. Maseratis are not that. Yeah, W2 list. Oh my god. But yeah, W2 list.
Buddha bless this beat.
They put the ball in my hand, I'ma shoot it. I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 star recruiter. She come over late night just to get booted. I'm finna go take flight. You took the safe route, boy, you ain't safe now. I play my cards right, cut like a steak knife. I'm in my second life, posted on crease side. I've been the one since 97 on God. Driving boat like Brian and Wade. With this heat, they gon' ride the wave. With this mic, I'ma touch me a minute.